The Kingslim E2PRO Dual Dashcam provides impressive video quality with its front and rear cameras capturing 2160 pixels and 1080 pixels resolution respectively. With its smart Wi-Fi and app control, this dashcam allows for easy live streaming, video downloading, and settings adjustments directly from your smartphone. The compact design of the Kingslim E2PRO ensures it does not obstruct your view while driving, and its heat resistance makes it safe for use even in hot weather conditions. Thanks to its continuous loop recording feature, this dashcam ensures that you never run out of storage space by overwriting the oldest files automatically. Equipped with a G sensor, the E2PRO automatically records and locks videos during emergencies, such as collisions, to ensure important footage is preserved. The Kingslim E2PRO supports a wide range of memory card capacities, from 32 gigabytes to 256 gigabytes, accommodating plenty of footage storage.